Located on the coast of the East China Sea and in the south wing of the Yangtze River Delta is Yuyao, an economically developed scenic city. Being home to the 7,000-year-old Hemudu culture, it is a famous historical and cultural city, a national civilized city, and the home place of Mr. Wang Yangming. In 1998, Zhejiang Langdi Group Company Limited was born on this land. In the spirit of advanced technology-focused main business and steady development, Langdi has formed independent research and development, arranged production base and customer resources, etc., becoming one of the leading enterprises in the domestic fan industry. From raw materials, mold, product development to manufacturing, the Langdi air conditioner fan blade business has production bases in Zhejiang, Guangdong, Sichuan, Henan, Hebei, Hunan, Hubei, Anhui, Shandong, and other places, providing customers with solutions to air supply systems, thus making full use of technologies, location, and capacity advantages to stabilize and expand market share. This blade has overcome the technical problems of complex curved surface of the backward centrifugal blade, achieved the goal of eliminating turbulence, reducing noise, and improving energy efficiency, and further improved its comfort level. Recently, Langdi's more than 100 million air conditioning blades have become the core of many famous brands at home and abroad. Recently, in order to meet the customized needs of different customers, Langdi has vigorously promoted the research and development of permanent magnet motors and the modular application of fans, so as to provide customers with high-performance fan components. Fans below 600 watt have become intelligent and remote monitoring. The company will focus on development and production of communication cabinets, energy storage cabinets, charging piles, precision air conditioning, air purification, and fresh air systems, cooling fans, axial flow fan, and other products. Based on China's central and western regions and radiated to the eastern regions, this business section aims at highly intelligent production and differentiated competition to accelerate its application in high-end electronics, home appliances, automotive lightweight products, electronic and electrical products, and other industries. Langdi New Material Research Center has carried out close cooperation with Sichuan University and other universities, which provides a strong talent and scientific support for the continuous research and development of new materials. Langdi has always adhered to the development of blades and fans, committed to independent research and development concerning ventilation system, fluid mechanics, aerodynamic performance, and other fields. The company also invests actively in various technological innovation and improvement, according to the needs of the downstream air conditioning industry. At present, Langdi owns 5 high-tech enterprises and 2 provincial engineering technology centers, 4 copyrights of air conditioning blade design software. It has drafted 2 industrial standards and obtained more than 400 patents, among which 70 were invention patents. Innovative concept, scientific design, and exquisite technology has assisted Langdi in exploring a way that is of high quality, intelligent, and customized. It has become the major supplier for world-famous brands such as Gree, Media, Haier, Hisense, Changhong, TCL, Ox, LG, Mitsubishi, Daikin, Panasonic, Samsung, Ingersoll Rand, Tran, Carrier, Yonda, etc., and was awarded with honors including Outstanding Supplier, Quality Benchmark, Special Contribution Award, and Best Partner. Wind goes around thanks to the wind blows. Langdi always lives up to trust. That is why we work with honesty and run the company with virtue. In this new era, we will keep on innovating and contributing to China's fan industry with higher requirements, wider vision, and stronger responsibility.